Hello students, good morning everyone and how are you? I hope students you are doing study at home and you are taking the precautions regarding coronavirus. Student, in this lecture we are going to learn mathematics subject lesson number 2, multiplications and division of integers. Student, in previous video we already learned the multiplications of integers. Now in this video we are going to learn divisions of integers. So there also have some rules. So which one? First, the continent of two positive integers is a positive. Okay. What is here? Continent of two positive integers means have the two positive numbers like 6. We have to divide it. 6 divided 8. Both are the positive numbers, so their answer will come positive. How will do? 6 upon 8. So student, both numbers 6 and 8 is both numbers came in tables 2. So we will divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Understood student? When continent of two positive numbers, both are the two positive integers, so is a positive. So their answer also become positive. Because both continent of two this positive, so their answer also positive. Now next one we'll see the continent of two negative integers. Which one? Two negative integers means like upon minus 20. Okay, both are the two negative integers. Both are the two minus 10 upon minus 2. So their answer become positive. How we have to divide it? Okay, so now see these both numbers came table 10. Okay, 10 and 20. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. Both numbers come table 2. So we will divide it by 10. 10 if you divided 10 to 10, so what will come? 10 ones are 10 and 10 twos are 2. Okay, because minus student plus. We already learned the previous video. Okay, what we learned? Plus minus and minus plus minus and minus plus minus. Student, you already learned this one. Okay, both number is positive, our answer will come positive. Both numbers are negative, so our answer will come negative. If this opposite like a plus minus plus, so answer will come in a negative. Okay, because minus plus and plus. I hope students you understood. Now next one, the continent of a positive and negative numbers. Continue which one? Positive. One positive numbers and another is a negative numbers. For example, okay, one is positive numbers and another is a negative numbers. Is always be a negative because this is plus minus. So how will do? 24 divided 6. Both numbers 24 and 36. Both numbers in which tables came? 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24 and 12 threes are 36. Okay, so we will divide it by 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24 and 12 threes are 36. So our answer 2 upon 3. But it is correct. No, we have to give the sign. Upper side have the 24 minus. So this minus sign will come here because if one positive number and another is negative integers, so is always a negative numbers and negative numbers always become upper side. I hope students you understood this one. One more book we will take. Here we will take first negative and after positive. Now I will take first positive then negative. Okay, 15 divided minus 35. Okay student, now listen how we solve 15 divided minus 35. So 15 divided minus 35. Students, remember one thing, this minus sign you will not do the downside upper side here, is minus 15 upon 35. We have to write like this. Okay, now 15 and 35 both numbers in which tables can 5 and 5 and 5 5 to 10 5 is 15 5 4 is 20 5 5 is 25 5 6 is 30 and 5 7 is 35. So both numbers come in a table 5. So we will divide it by 5. 15 divided 5 and 35 minus 35 divided 5 minus divided 5. 5 is 50 and 5 7 is 35. This minus sign. So here we go. I hope students you understood this one. Okay, integers of figures. According to this rule, we will solve the practice set 9. Okay, now we will do the practice set 9. Okay, first one minus 96 divided 6. I will do minus 96 divided upon 16. Okay, now students we will divide it by 16. So I hope students you have ahead this table. Okay, both number 96 and 60 both numbers can divide come table 6, so we will divide it by 6. 96 okay minus 96 upon 6 both number in table 6, so we will divide it by 6. Okay, sorry, divided by 16. So now student you will say that the table 16 ones are 16 and 16 fours are 66 are 96. Okay, this minus sign will come here and 16 ones are 16. So our answer, okay, so our answer is minus 6. When our downside of 1 is we are not writing, so our answer is minus 6. I hope students you understood. Now next one, 98 minus 28. But students we are not writing downside, so we will come upper side. 98 upon 28. Okay. Now students you can say both numbers in which tables came 14. Okay, 14 2s are 28 and 14 7s are 98. Okay, if suppose students both number in table 14, so we divided by 14. Okay, 14 7s are 98 and 14 2s are 8. Okay, this minus sign will come here. So our answer minus 2 upon minus 7 upon 2. I hope students you understood. If suppose students you are not by the tables properly, so how will do minus 8? This sign will come here upper side and 28. Okay, minus 98 upon 28. You suppose you are not by the tables 28. How will you do? See students, see the last number. Okay, we already learned the divisibility test for divisibility. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. This already we learned the test for divisibility. Okay, when last number this unit place have the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That time we will divide it by 2. Okay, here have the 8 numbers, so here you can divide it by 2. I hope students you understood. When uh, when the any numbers with the 5 or 0 have the unit place, 0 or 5 have the this number have unit place, so will divided by 5. Means unit place have the 0, otherwise 5. That time we will divided by 5. Otherwise the last number have only 0. That time we will divided by 10. Okay, and we will divided by 3. We have to count. We have to add this number. Okay, like and that number should be come in a table 3. For example, 50 and which one is 9, 36 and 45. Okay, I written 35 and 45. So student, we will see both numbers. We can divide it by 2. No, because here have 6, but the downside not have 2. We have to divide it by same numbers. Here not have 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we will not divide it by 2. Here also not have 0 and 5. So we will not divide it 5. Okay, here have 5. Upper side not. So we will not. But okay, so we on which numbers we will divide it here? Our smart divided table 24. Okay, 25 our tables is not divided. Also how we do? Okay, add this number 36 plus 3 plus 6 how much? 9, and 4 plus 5 how much? 9. So both numbers can come in a table 3. So we will divide it by 3. Okay, so means 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Our answer here 12, and here also we divided by 45. 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 1, 3 fives are 15. So our answer 12 upon 15. Here this step also you can do it, student. Okay. Now next one, minus 51 divided 68. Now this how will solve this? 51 and 68. Both numbers in which tables come? The table 40. Sorry. Okay, both numbers come table 17. 17 3s are 51 and 17 4s are 68. So both numbers can come 17. So we will divide it by 17. 17 3s are 51. This minus sign, and 17 4s are 68. I hope students you understood this one. Now we saw next one. 38 divided minus 57 means 38 divided, okay, minus 51. So but students minus sign we will not write and show the down sign, it will come upper side. So 57. Now solve. Same is like 58 and 57. In which numbers came? Tables 19 minus 38 upon divided upon 57. Both numbers came table 19. Okay, so divided 19. So we will divide 19 2s are 28 and 19 3s are 57. And this one a minus sign will come, student. I hope students you understood. Now next one, minus 85 divided 20. Minus 85 divided 20. Now students, in 20 tables by 20 you can divide it by 85. So how will you do? Here see the unit place number. Here have 5, here 0. So by which numbers you divided here? Table 5. Okay. So minus 85 divided 20. We will divide it by 5. So divided student 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5 3. Okay. 3 5 sevens are 5 sevens are, so how much? 70. Okay, this minus sign here will come. Next one, 5 fours are 20. I hope students you understood this one. Okay. Now student we will see the next one. Question number 6. Question number 6. 150 minus 150 divided minus 25. Okay, student here see 150 minus 125. Student we know the minus plus. Okay, minus plus first we will solve. Minus 150. Okay, first directly we will write minus plus. So 150 upon 25 minus plus. So both number will come plus. So 150 and 25 both numbers come in a table 25. So we will divide it by 25. Okay, now students you can see 26 150. Okay, 5 6 30. 3 carry 6 12. 13 14 15. Okay, 15 6 150 and 15 divided 51. So we are not writing 1, so our answer only 1. This is our answer. I hope students you understood. Now student next one. 700 divided 60. Okay, 100 divided 60. Students, when unit test will come 0, that means better for easy you cut the 0. Okay, now what is 10 and 6? Now 10 and 6, only which numbers came? Both numbers come in the same tables. Which one? 2. So we will divide it by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. I hope students you understood. Now students 8 9 upon minus 54. Okay, 9 upon minus 24. Minus answer will not go upper side minus 54. So on which numbers you will divide it, students? 9 and 54. Both numbers come in a table 9. So we will divide it by 9. 9 ones are 9. This minus and here will come. And 9 6 are 54. So our answer is minus 1 upon 1. This is our answer. I hope students you understood. Now students next one, 9th one. 78 divided 65. 78 upon 65. Now student you can divide 68 and 65. These both numbers come in table 13. So we will divide it by 30. So 65 divided 30. Now student you can say 13 6 how much? 13 6 78 and 13 5 is 65. Okay, I divided by 30. Now next one student, minus 5 divided minus 315. Minus you know the student, minus Okay, two negative integers is a positive number. So minus minus plus. So 5 upon 3, 15. Okay, so both numbers here have 5 unit place, here also have unit place 5. So we divided by 5. 5 divided 5 and 135 divided 5. You know student 5 ones are 5. So now divided 2, 3 for 15. Okay, 1 point not plus possible 31. 5 6 are 30. Okay, 1 minus 0 1. 5 3 are 15. So our answer is 63. So minus minus plus. So minus 5 upon minus 35. The answer is 1 upon 63. I hope students you understood this practice set 9 and you will try to solve yourself. See properly and make your own question yourself and solve practice set 9. And students do the practice multiplications and divisions integers numbers. I hope students you understood this one. Thank you.